how to put a white background on Instagram story. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to go ahead and open up the Instagram app. And what I'm going to do here, of course, I'm going to add the story. So I'm going to just click right here, the plus button at the top left. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click on my gallery at the below left right here. You're going to see it. And it's going to open up your camera roll. So basically add your white background right here. And as you can see, I already added. And if you want to extend it to be full white, just go ahead and keep it at full white. And what you're gonna do, if you want to add more than one photo, as a background, you're gonna just add the sticker at the top, or click the sticker at the top, scroll a little bit down. You're gonna see many tools, and next to the countdown in food orders, you're gonna see a gallery. Just go ahead and click on it, and basically you can add whatever picture that you want, and you can just tap to change the if you want it to be square, if you want it to be a circle, whatever, heart shape, you could just go ahead and add it. And the same goes if you want to add a sticker at the top right, it's gonna direct to your gallery, and basically you're gonna be able to add more than one photo. And the same goes from here. If you want to add, like, tap for more to change the shape and move it anywhere else. And the white background in the white photo is as a background function. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.